What are you doing? Can you do something?
What do you want me to do?
What do you want me
Something
to
else.
do?
What do you want me to do? I have like 6 pictures like this.
Can you do something else?
Wait, First Lady, wait, Barack Obama, wait. Don't take no, come on here, no.
What the hell? Why is it? What is that?
I think it's an elevator.
You're ugly.
Ugly. Fuck you.
You are hideous.
I don't agree with that.
Okay, Gary.
What? You don't agree?
Huh?
You don't agree?
Huh?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, time to go.
Wow. Are you? You're doing a fucking video.
You're an asshole. You're an asshole.
Fucking
You're an asshole.
You
You know what?
fucking
Hey,
bitch.
no, that's a great one. Fuck you.
Fuck you too, bitch.
You're such a loser. Get
Listen
a fucking break.
to your heart.
We have like stories on this shit.
I know.
It's just so long.
What is this? You got a receipt roll? Yeah, I got the donut with the milk.
What? The donut? What the fuck?
What the fuck is
Like
he?
receipt roll. We're in the. Fuck, I'm out of here.